Back again with another recipe, and this one is a personal favorite. Coronation chicken, for argument's sake, is essentially a curry chicken salad, and this recipe was created by Constance Spry and Rosemary Hume, who were preparing the banquet for the coronation of Queen Elizabeth II in 1953, hence the name Coronation Chicken. And of course, you're not making the original recipe, but I'm giving them my own twist, which is a very delicious twist if I do say so myself. We'll be using some boneless, skinless chicken breast for this recipe, along with some herbs and spices. And the first thing we need to do is season and cook the chicken. Now here I'm using my own personal all-purpose seasoning, which is a combination of onion powder, garlic powder, ginger, paprika, dried thyme and black pepper. Apply it generously to the surface of the chicken breast. I want to flip it and season on the other side as well. Make sure your oil is hot in your pan and then add the chicken. We're going for a nice sear on the chicken. Now I don't add any salt to my all-purpose seasoning so I could control the amount of salt I use with more precision. After about 4 minutes, flip the chicken. Add some freshly chopped ginger, some minced garlic, and some good old Trini green seasoning. Then you want to add 1 cup of water. You want to stir that to ensure all the aromatics well combine. Now you want to cover it and allow it to simmer on low heat for 10 minutes. While the chicken's simmering, I'm going to make a quick cucumber chow. Slice the cucumber thinly. Season with a pinch of salt, some black pepper, and some red wine vinegar. Now you could use any type of vinegar or acid you prefer here. Lemon juice could work as well. You want to toss that up and set it aside. And additional ingredients for the chicken, we have some black olives and some celery that we're chopping up. 10 minutes later, the chicken is almost done. Flipping them over for the other side to cook as well for additional 2 minutes. And remove the chicken from the pan and shred it using 2 forks. Add the shredded chicken back to the pan with the remaining broth and allow it to soak up all that great flavor. You don't want to waste all that good flavor there. Transfer the chicken to a bowl and allow it to cool. After about 10 minutes or so, I'm going to add some fresh thyme, some curry powder, some smoked paprika, some minced garlic, chopped celery, black olives, and add some mayonnaise. I want to toss that together and combine well. And I know you naysayers out there just waiting for this part to just jump in the comment section to talk about raw curry and wok belly and all kind of thing. But that is a myth. This recipe will not have any adverse side effects on your stomach. Last but not least, add in some chili flakes for the heat. Now, you might be watching this and screwing up your face and thing, but trust me when I say this real best. Perfect to add on top some crackers and serve as a hors d'oeuvre. Or you drop it in some phyllo pastry and make a little tartlet. Or do what I do in here and create a best sandwich. Your cucumbers, nice filling of coronation chicken, top it off with a little radish, fanciness, and boom. Best coronation chicken slider. Some people even add things like dried cranberries or raisins for sweetness. People add almonds as well, and I think the original recipe calls for dried apricot. So you could make this and add little twists, little things in it to make it your own. And if you like this recipe, please give this video a thumbs up and give it a share. And if you do try it, hit me up on social media and let me know how it was. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please take a moment to do so and ring the bell to be notified every time we post new content. As always, the full recipe can be found on eatafoodtt.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.